everybody, welcome back to my channel. I have a box for you. I'm Holly and this is my unboxing obsession, and it's an obsession, all right. This box is an old favorite of mine, but not an old box. It's a wonderfully newer box. It's doing very well from what I understand, and it is Heart and Soul. So this box, it smells amazing inside. I just can smell it from the outside, so I'm pretty psyched to get into this box. I can't wait to smell Easter's box. Oh, can't wait. But anyway, this is a monthly handmade, natural, organic bath and body essentials, and it comes right to your doorstep. What more could you ask? You don't even have to go out in that world and get it. She ships it right to you, so you can just stay at home and wait for your box to come to your door. So there are, I think, 4 boxes now. Okay, so there's a spa in a box, and that is $18.50. And let's read about that. All the products are handmade with all natural ingredients everyone can use, including kids. You're surprised with something new every month. New products that are exclusive to you and not listed. Each box will have a specific theme every month, which will be announced on a month-to-month, announced a month prior to the release. I had to spit that out. And however, the exact items will be a surprise just for you. Our spa in a box is a perfect gift idea or a gift to yourself. It will be filled with everything needed to pamper yourself. You will enjoy a surprise in our box full of vibrant colors and amazing scents. She ain't just a kiddin'. The scents in these boxes, amazing. Our subscription box will feature your favorite bath and body essential from each of our categories: bath bombs, shower bombs, body wash, lip scrub, lip balm, body butter, body cream, and sugar scrub and or soap, etc. So that box is $18.50 and it's spa in a box. And then they have the Lemon Delight box. My daughter-in-law, the one that does the Universal Yum box with me, she loves the lemon box. Oh my goodness, she's a lemon connoisseur. She loves lemons. I love lemons too, but she just goes over and above and crazy nutso over lemons. She loves the lemons. The Lemon Delight subscription box, that is like lemon bath bombs, lemon shower bombs, lemon bath salt soak, fresh lemon sugar scrub, lemon, what is that, lemon something, lemon almond body cream, lemon body wash, lemon everything, just lemon everything, and that is $19.16. And then you have a box called Sweet Treats, and that is $20 a month, and that is like everything that looks like you could eat it but you shouldn't, because it's not to eat. It's like bath bombs that look like donuts and cakes and cookies. They're bath bombs, you can't eat them, but they look like the cutest little cakes and cookies, and they just look so beautiful and wonderful, but they're not to eat. So keep those out of reach of children, because they will think that it's a donut, but they're so pretty and beautiful. The Sweet Treats box is $20. I know I'm rambling again. I know. Some of you don't mind though. So, and then we have one more box, and it's called the Halloween Spooky box, and I got this box. It's an amazing box too, and that is a spooky spa subscription box. You get the skull bath bombs, and I gave one to my granddaughter and she loves it. So you get a jack-o'-lantern sweet orange pumpkin spice sugar scrub, pumpkin foaming hand soap, pumpkin lip balm, pumpkin scented. You just get everything that you can think of that would have to do with Halloween that could be used in the bathtub, from bath bombs to body scrub, all that it is all geared towards Halloween. An amazing box, absolutely amazing. So if you love Halloween and it is mid-April and you want Halloween in your life, order the Halloween box because it's amazing. So today, though it is not Halloween, it is, however, almost St. Patrick's Day, and that is what I have in my heart and soul box today. So let's get into this box. I cannot wait for a little look of the Irish. It's a little green in here. There we are. I am holding it because you know me, the luck of the Irish might be in this box, but I don't want it to fall out. So that's what it looks like when we first pop the box open. Let's remove our paperwork. And here it is. Wowie, there's a lot of stuff in there. That smells wonderful. Okay, let's see what she has sent us. Let's see. Note, make sure you get the best quality during use. Make sure to keep your bath bombs in a dry, cool place out of direct sunlight. Wet environment can lead to decrease in the fizz by causing early reaction. Too much sunlight can fade the beautiful colors of the bath bombs. Okay. Oh, deep coloring in the product has unlikely potential to stick to residue in your tub. So it might stay in your tub, so be careful. Make sure you rinse immediately after use. Okay. Alrighty. Cucumber melon bath bomb. Ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. I'm gonna like this box. Okay, let's get into it. So we have coconut lime sugar scrub. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. This is going to be wonderful. I cannot wait to smell this. Let me get the safety seal stuff off of it. Wipe my dust off. There we go. It is now beautiful and ready for presentation. There's the beautiful packaging, and there it is. Coconut lime. That sounds smell-licious, just like I imagined. Beautiful, just beautiful. And there it is. I love this. Let's see. Handmade with all natural ingredients. Granulated sugar, shea butter, pure organic olive oil, pure organic coconut oil, essential oil, sweet almond oil, vitamin E, and lime zest. Nothing I cannot pronounce, which I like. It is not chunky. It is very fine sugar. Very nice smell. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. It is, and the sugar just dissolves. It is, you know how you get some sugar scrubs and it's so chunky and you just want to run from it? Not the sugar scrub. I do love the sugar scrub, and I'm glad that I got this because mine was just gone. So love it. Love it, love it, love it. Okay. Well, we got low battery power mode here. Okay. And then what do we have here? I don't know. It's all taped up. Let's get it untaped. Come on now. Here we go. Oh, very well packaged. Oh, Heart and Soul Bath and Body Essentials Cucumber Face Mask. Look at that. Ooh. Dare I say this is the first one that I have seen. Come on. Thank you. There it is. I have never had one of these before until I think, I don't know, last month I think I got one of these, and I never knew how to use it. Boy, did I make a mess. Let's just say it looked like I dropped a whole 5-pound bag of flour everywhere in my bathroom. What a mess. Looked like a bomb went off. Anyway, I cleaned it up about 3 hours later, and now I know how to use it the right way. I won't be doing that with this. 1 ounce of dry mask into a small bowl, add enough water to make a paste, then spread it on your face, avoiding the eye area. Once the mask has dried and hardened, wash it off with warm water. Nobody told me not to let the water splash into the bowl. I did this, and it went all over the place. What a mess. You live and you learn, and I definitely learned that day. But there is the jar. That is a very good sized jar. Nice. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Okay. And then next, we have a very nice bath bomb here. I love these vibrant colors in this box this time. Very nice colors. Oh, very nice. Oh, cucumber melon bath bomb. There's a bath bomb. Look at the green. It is beautiful. Very nice. I love that. That is beautiful. Beautiful color. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Oh, and here we have, what did she say this was? Three-leaf clover bath bombs. They come with or without glitter. Okay, that's what these are. Okay, let's open these. I like how it's packaged too. It came in a little baggie. And these can come with or without glitter. So, drop one bath bomb into your warm bath water. Relax and soak. Cool. Oh, they're so cute. That is a cute little bath bomb. Maybe this will give me some luck. Nice. I like that. Very nice. Very nice. I like, that's 4 bath bombs in one box. 4 of them. Very nice. Very, very nice box so far. And then we have just a couple more things. What are you? Oh, I think I know what this is. Ooh, yay. Oh, I think it's body wash. I think that's what it is. If I can get out of the bag. Let's see here. Yep, it is. It is. Okay. It is cucumber melon and shamrock body wash. And both of these are 2 full fluid ounces. These are, I've not received these before in this box. Very nice. Oh my goodness. I am psyched to have received these. Oh, I love a good body wash now. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I am weird like that. I love a good body wash. And it was sealed and has a safety seal on top of this. I like that. I know I am 2 times safe. Ooh. That smells so good. Oh, I like that. Very nice. Cucumber melon. Very nice body wash. Very nice. Oh my goodness gracious. That is oh wow. Very nice body wash. Oh, my seal is kind of discombobulated. It got discombobulated here. Come on. Open, 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 open. Open up. We want to come in. We want to see what the shamrock smells like. I'm hoping it's like minty. I hope it's like a minty smell. And like I said, it has another safety seal, so doubly sealed. That smells so fresh and clean. I like that too. I like that. It's pure organic coconut oil, yogurt powder, pure organic olive oil, fragrance oil, vanilla color stabilizer, natural colorant, and vitamin E. Very nice. I like that these are in there. Very nice. Very nice box this time. I love it. Very nice. Okay, well, that's it for my Heart and Soul box. I like this box. Very nice box this time. What did you guys think of my box this time? I can't wait for the Easter box. I hope it has like pretty little pink bunnies and wonderful little, just cute little bunny rabbits and eggs, and just, it's gonna be so cute. I just know it. Just so cute. There it is in all its glory. Wonderful. I just love this box. Always. I will always love this box. It's just so cute. It's simple but sweet and wonderful. Just a wonderful, wonderful box. I love all the time and care and consideration that's put into this box. And the smell is just divine. I just love this box. It's always been a favorite of mine. So if you would like to get your own heart and soul box, I will leave the link to Cratejoy so that you can head on over to Cratejoy and get your own heart and soul box. And there's also a wonderful code that will be down there for you to get a wonderful little discount for yourselves. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button right on over there, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to share this video. We need to get some more shares going on. And don't forget how much I appreciate you guys, because you guys are thebomb.com. And don't forget, just don't forget that I really appreciate you guys. All right, guys, I will see you all in my next video real soon. And if you have any future video ideas, how about you leave it in the comments down below. All right, guys, bye now.